Hi everybody, Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk, and I'm here on June the 1st with the new catalogue, which we can now open and show you what's inside. I have tabbed for the first time my catalogue, so I made these using the rounded tab punch, and then I typed what I wanted them labelled with first. So this has been well thumbed. Down the bottom here I have post-its. Yellow is, yeah, I quite like that. Purple is, I'm having it now. And then I've got these little bookmarks which I got from a swap on stage, and these are marked showing you some of the things that I got for free in the on stage. Okay, so I got this animal outing. Everybody got this. This was in our bags. I'm not really into animals, but I did like the sentiments, and I have used these on a couple of projects that you will have seen. And that little leaf, part of a suite, so it comes with matching dies. It's got a lovely leaf ribbon there, some wooden elements. You've got paper even, and some cardstock, which they're doing in those, as they do with all of the suites. You get like a mixed pack there. It's a good way of getting some extra colours and building up your cardstock. The next one I've got is, if I flip it over quickly, is this one, the varied vases, which comes with a matching punch. There's the punch. There's the stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set. You get loads. I have used it, as you can see. It's gone a bit pink, as they do. And it punches out all these 5 bits when you're using it. Absolutely loved this when I saw it in the on stage, and knew that this was going to be like the first thing that I was going to make. And I've made some cards with it, which I will be doing a tutorial on. So I've did it sort of showcasing the in colours. So that one there is Grapefruit Grove, and then we have Pineapple Punch. That one's Blueberry Bushel, and that one there is the Call Me Clover. I haven't made the lovely lipstick yet, because that's the one I was going to do in the tutorial. Okay, beautiful stamps. Yeah, and then I did that one as well with a different stamp set, so I shall just show you that in a second. Oh, thank goodness that missed my toe. Don't know if you've ever dropped a punch on your toe, but I can tell you it hurts a lot. Okay, so yes, that's the set that I used to make that one. This was my Prize Patrol freebie. Birthday backgrounds, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I just did a simple happy birthday card there, showing off the in colours. Do love this blue. It's just gorgeous. It's kind of almost sort of got a purpley tinge to it. Really like it. Okay, so I've used that one, and that one in this background there to give it a sort of a party feel. Do like that a lot. Okay, and then moving on through the catalogue. These are just the bookmarks to show what I've got. So then we come to Pick a Pennant. Pick a Pennant. That was one that everybody got. This was the last one that we all got. All attendees got it. I have done a project with this. I'd used that pennant there, and then I spelt out fabulous. And it's great. It does come with a matching die set as well, that one. And then if I flick down then to paper, and I'll show you the papers that I've got and the cardstock. So these are our colours. Lovely, lovely, stunning colours. There you can see the lovely lipstick there, which is a really deep sort of pinky red. Really like that. And you get the in colour DSP that you can get this time is a 6x6, unlike last year it was 12x12s, and they come, that's the other side of that one, and that's the other side of that one, so they're either mixed with a bit of Whisper White or they're just two-tone of the same colour, and they go through all the colours in the same way. You can get it in the two current in colours, the new ones and the ones that's carrying over for another year, and you can get them in all the colour families as well. But I've just got that one for now. That's what you could get on pre-order. And then the other paper I've got, which I imagine you've seen this already if you watch Stampin' Up demonstrators. I'm sure you will have seen this one. Stunning paper here. If you can see, that one's got a bit of a shine to it. It's kind of pearlescent. Okay, and that's the other side of it. That's the next one that's got a bit of a pearlescent, and that's the other side of it. I love the colours in that one. And then there's this beautiful floral one there, possibly my favourite, and I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Great for scrapbooking. This really thick paper. It's speciality cardstock, so it's paper, so it is like cardstock. Love that too. We've got a shimmer in that one as well, and these lovely plain backgrounds. So they, I know it's not plain, but it's plainer. Just these are going to make stunning scrapbooks. They really are. I recently did a scrapbook with just one sheet. These would just look amazing with that project. I think I might be doing that. And then that's got, I love this colour on the other side. And then your last piece there that shimmers has got that one on the other side. So this really is a must-have paper set. I just love it. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and then there's the in colour ink pads that are in our new design, which opens like a compact and then just slides along, and you get an extra strip to put colour on the inside, as well as having a strip on the outside. And they stack. They've got these little knobbly bits that they do actually stack. I really like them. They're really good. Okay, now let me show you my tabs. So down the side here, I've got tabs that separate how the book has. So I've got everyday occasions, and then in that we have some sweets. So I've bookmarked it so I can quickly go to all the sweets that are in the different, I love this, in the different sections. Okay. And then we get to birthday section, and in that we have a sweet there, Broadway bound. Then we have the kids section, and we have this Twinkle Twinkle in the kids section, but actually you could use it for quite a lot of things. We have our Christmas section, and under the mistletoe is one of the is the Christmas sweet, and then some old favourite Christmas ones there. And then our next section, I'll have to tidy up a bit where I've glued, it oozed a bit. So then we've got Petal Promenade and Tropical Escape. All our sweets, move it over a bit, all our sweets have stamp sets and either a matching die set, punch or embossing folder, paper and embellishments that go with it, and they all match and coordinate really well. Love this section, partly because it's Blackberry Bliss and that is my favourite colour. But there we've got Garden Expressions, we have got Nature's Poem, lovely set, we got to use that on stage. Tranquil Textures, lovely background bits there, gorgeous paper. Really is gorgeous paper, very masculine. You can see myself using that. Graceful Glass, this is lovely, our patterned vellum there that you can colour on to make it look like stained glass. The Share What You Love, you've probably seen this, lots and lots of demonstrators have bought the bundle with this from the pre-order, so it's lovely. That's where you get the paper from. And then we have this section, which I've tabbed at the top for ease to get to the embellishments, to get to the tools and the punches, to get to the dies, to get to the embossing folders. I've just done it so that I can flick through easily. Well, I would if I go over with an embossing buddy and get rid of some of that glue that's still there. And then there's 4 you can make it sections, which you might miss when you go through. They're worth looking at. They give you some technique ideas, some card ideas, and they tell you exactly what you need to make this. I love this. I'll be making that. That's gorgeous. And that is too, because that's one of my favourite stamp sets. And I just love this. I love that particularly. Okay, so that is the new catalogue. Okay, so to make the tabs, I've printed all the labels I wanted out on Whisper White. And so I've matched the first ones that I've done are the tabs that are already in the catalogue, and so I've cut them out of the corresponding colours. So we're going to do Lovely Lipstick as the first one, and this is one of the new in colours, and it's a lovely sort of pinky red like that. So, and then I'm using a retired 7/8 of an inch scalloped punch. It would work better with your 3/4 of an inch punch, but I don't have it. So Everyday Occasions is the first one that I'm going to do. So I'm just going to punch that out. And I will go down and punch them all in that fashion. Move this out of the way. And then I've already used my rounded tab, I can't remember what it's called, circle tab, that's what I've used. So I'm just going to fold this in half and take my circle. You can use your fingers to pick it up. Goodness. I'm just going to put a bit of fast fuse on it because I have lots and lots of fast fuse. I know you can't buy it anymore, but that's what I've got. So I'm going to put these at 90 degrees to the end. I can't actually see when it's on the same colour, so that I can read these going down the side like so. Okay, and then I'm going to stick that over that, and then I'm just going to put Tombow on this. So it will stick down. So I'll just line that up with the edge of the page, fold it under, hold it in place, and that's it. So that's my first tab, and I will go along and finish those up and show you when it's done. The new catalogue, and if you have requested one from me, then they've all gone out. Most of you should, well, you should all have it by now, hopefully. And if you've shopped with me in the last year, then you will have automatically got one as well. And I've made these little colour swatches. I sent them out to my team because of the colour revamp. I thought it was really useful to have these swatches so that you can see all the different colour families, including the basics there. And I will be sending these out to anybody that shops with me in June will get this as part of your thank you for shopping with me gift. It will be put together on a ring like this with a nice little heart there that says made with love, and you can use that as a scissor charm or whatever you like. Leave it on it if you want. So that'll be added, and then of course if you use the hostess code, which you'll find on my blog nigezza.co.uk, you'll also get a share in the stamping rewards, so you'll get some free product as well as per usual. So hope you like that. Hope you are excited and going to enjoy looking through the catalogue. I will add, or I will have, because this is now at the end, how I made these tabs. I quite like it for making it easy to flick through. And I'm going off now to place an order. Okay, bye. Please like and subscribe if you want to see what I'm coming up with. I will be showing you how I made these cards, probably tomorrow. If not Sunday as my normal posting day, Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. And yeah, I'm nearly at 1,000. Please help. Okay, bye for now.